Welcome from the QuizCrib NFL football fans. Get ready for a National Football League logo quiz. Guess the team name from the logo picture. You have 5 seconds with each logo to guess. Here we go. The Cincinnati Bengals. The Baltimore Ravens. The Pittsburgh Steelers. The Cleveland Browns. The Detroit Lions. The Green Bay Packers. The Chicago Bears. The Minnesota Vikings. The Tennessee Titans. The Jacksonville Jaguars. The Indianapolis Colts. The Houston Texans. The New Orleans Saints. The Carolina Panthers. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers. The Atlanta Falcons. The New York Jets. The New England Patriots. The Miami Dolphins. The Buffalo Bills. The Dallas Cowboys. The New York Giants. The Philadelphia Eagles. The Washington Commanders. The Los Angeles Chargers. The Kansas City Chiefs. The Las Vegas Raiders. The Denver Broncos. The Los Angeles Rams. The San Francisco 49ers. The Seattle Seahawks. The Arizona Cardinals. Well, superstar, did you get all 32 team logos correct? Here are 3 final bonus logos to guess. Please let us know how many you answered correctly after the last question. The AFC, American Football Conference. The NFC, National Football Conference. The NFL, National Football League. Tell me you score 100%. Please subscribe and comment how many you answered correctly. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you from the Quiz Crib.